Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Canva designs to your HubSpot content. This is a fantastic way to create visually compelling emails that grab your audience's attention while keeping your branding consistent across all your marketing materials. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your marketing tools and content. Once you're signed in, look to the left navigation bar and click on the Marketing tab. This section houses all the tools you need for your marketing campaigns, from email creation to social media management. Clicking this tab will expand a menu showing you various marketing options available within HubSpot. From the expanded menu, select Email. This will open the email section where you can manage all your email campaigns and drafts. Here, you'll be able to either create fresh content or edit existing emails you've been working on. Now you have two choices. You can create a new email by clicking Create Email, which will open up a blank email editor for you to start from scratch. Alternatively, if you already have a draft in progress, simply click on its name to open it and continue where you left off. In the email editor, decide exactly where you want your Canva design to appear within your email. This could be at the top as a header image, in the middle as a visual break, or anywhere that makes sense for your content. Place your cursor at that specific spot to mark where the image will go. Next, click on the image module or look for the area where images are typically inserted. This is often labeled Insert Image or represented by a picture icon in the toolbar. Clicking this will give you options for how to add your visual content. You'll now see an option to upload an image from your computer, but here's where it gets interesting. If you have Canva synced with your HubSpot account, you can choose Design with Canva. This integration allows you to create and insert designs directly without leaving HubSpot. If you've already uploaded Canva designs to HubSpot previously, you can locate the Canva image in the Files tool and select it from there. This saves time if you're reusing designs across multiple campaigns. Otherwise, simply upload your Canva exported image file directly from your computer by browsing to where you saved it. And that's it. Your Canva design is now seamlessly integrated into your HubSpot email, ready to make your marketing content more engaging and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.